Hi, this is Derek Wilson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a relationship between the new sales date table that we just created in the prior segment and the existing supermarket sales table from the original segment. Uh, so to start with this, I'm going to look at my data, and here my date is already in a nice format. On the sales date, I want to look at my supermarket sales. I have date here, and just to clean it up, I'm just going to change that to the exact same format. The relationship still work because it's in a date, but I just want to make sure everything's set up. And I'm going to switch to my relationship. This part's really easy. You can drag and drop. You want to go from your one to many in this case. So I've got one date for every day in my sales table. You can see it creates the relationship one to many. If I want to look at that, I can click on properties and it'll show me the column date to this table is on here, the cardinality. If I want to change the filter direction, this is where you do it. So everything's good there. I'm all set. Now the next thing I want to do is come in here to the sales date table and just mark it as the actual date table. And what this is going to let Power BI do is it comes up and tells you, right? So when you mark this as the date table, so now my calculations that use date, the DAX date calculations, will know that this is the date table to drive the calculations from. So just like that, I now have a relationship between my sales date and my supermarket sales. Please let me know if you have any questions.